You'll find plenty of videos on YouTube, but here's the truth. No one gives you the complete A to Z roadmap of calisthenics. Most only show a few exercises, and if you're a beginner, someone who doesn't even know the basics, you still end up confused. What should I eat? Which diet should I follow? Since these things are never explained, beginners give up within a few days. But after watching this video, you'll know what calisthenics really is, why you should train in it, how to start from absolute zero, what diet to follow on a budget, what mistakes to avoid, myths that are holding you back, and a 30-day full roadmap. With this plan, you'll stay consistent, disciplined, and improve daily. No excuses, no confusion. Grab a notebook and pen. Every exercise, every tip, every diet hack must be written down, because this roadmap can change your calisthenics journey. What is calisthenics? Calisthenics is training where you use your own body weight to build strength. Unlike gyms where people rely on expensive machines, calisthenics makes your body itself the machine. It starts with basics like push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats, planks, and it grows into advanced skills like muscle-ups, handstands, the human flag. In short, turning your body into your weapon. No gyms, no dumbbells, no costly equipment. You can train at home, in the park, or any open space. Why do calisthenics? The gym can give you muscles, but it doesn't necessarily give you agility or explosive power. Calisthenics builds control, balance, and real-world strength. It develops the kind of functional power that legends like Bruce Lee had. He didn't rely on machines. He built his body and speed with bodyweight training. Benefits of calisthenics: builds functional strength, burns fat, develops a lean, aesthetic physique, improves posture, strengthens stabilizer muscles and joints, enhances coordination, equipment-free. You just need a bar and some space. With calisthenics, you can train anywhere, at home, in a school ground, in a park, or any open space. Myths you've been told: you can only build a body in the gym. Calisthenics doesn't build muscles. It will stunt your height. All nonsense. Science confirms. Bodyweight training activates stabilizer muscles, strengthens joints, and supports natural growth. Pull-ups, push-ups, squats, they overload your muscles, which is the real trigger for growth. And no, it doesn't stop your height. It actually improves posture, core, and overall development. Whether you're fat, skinny, tall, short, or even 13 or 14 years old, calisthenics is for everyone. How to start if you're a complete beginner. If you're starting from zero, here's your 7-day habit plan. Incline push-ups, 3 sets of 12 reps. Wall pull hold, 3 sets of 10 seconds. Knee push-ups, 3 sets of 10 reps. Air squats, 3 sets of 15. Plank hold, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Do this daily for 1 week. If any move feels too hard, just do the easier version. After 7 days, move on to the 30-day roadmap.
Phase 1. Days 1 through 10. Goal: activate muscles, improve mobility, increase blood flow. Incline push-ups, 3 sets of 12 reps. Wall pull hold, 3 sets of 10 seconds. Knee push-ups, 3 sets of 10 reps. Air squats, 3 sets of 15 reps. Plank hold, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Phase 2, days 11 through 20. Goal: strength, endurance, control. Push-ups, 4 sets of 10 reps. Australian pull-ups, 3 sets of 8 reps. Jump squats, 3 sets of 12 reps. Plank toe taps, 3 sets of 12 reps. Leg raises, 3 sets of 10 reps. Phase 3, days 21 through 30. Goal: burn fat, gain control and endurance. Diamond push-ups, 4 sets of 10 reps. Negative pull-ups, 3 sets of 5 reps. Jump squats, 3 sets of 15 reps. Hollow body hold, 3 sets of 20 seconds. Handstand hold, 3 sets of 30 seconds. These look simple, But for a beginner, they're the foundation. Do this 30 days before moving to advanced skills.
Budget-friendly diet plan.
Now listen carefully. Doing exercises alone doesn't mean you'll build a strong muscular body. If you train hard but still eat junk food, your progress will stall. That's why following a clean, budget-friendly diet plan is just as important as your workouts. It keeps you energized, helps muscles recover, and saves money at the same time. Breakfast options. Oats with banana or frozen berries, simple, cheap, and filling. Eggs with whole wheat toast, a classic protein-packed start. Greek yogurt topped with a spoon of peanut butter for energy and recovery. Lunch options. Brown rice with canned beans, high protein, high fiber, and affordable. Rotisserie chicken used in wraps or salads, quick and versatile. Frozen vegetables, easy to cook and loaded with nutrients. Dinner options. Ground turkey or chicken, lean protein for building strength. Whole wheat pasta with tomato sauce and added spinach or broccoli, balanced and filling. Sweet potatoes, great for energy and vitamins. Snack ideas. Peanut butter with apple slices, a handful of trail mix, air-popped popcorn. Budget tips. Buy in bulk from Costco or Aldi's for essentials like oats, rice, beans, and frozen veggies. Always choose store brands like Walmart Great Value, Target Good and Gather, or Trader Joe's. Frozen fruits and vegetables are cheaper and last longer than fresh. Do meal prep on weekends to avoid overspending during the week. Daily essentials. Drink 2 to 4 liters of water every day. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night for proper recovery. With this budget-friendly diet plan, you'll stay healthy, save money, and fuel your workouts the right way. Because remember, training builds the muscle, but diet reveals it.
Mistakes beginners must avoid. Wrong form causes injury and slows progress. Too many breaks, only 1 rest day per week. Ignoring diet. Without protein, carbs, and fiber, your body won't recover. Don't chase quick results. Focus on discipline, consistency. Results will come. David Goggins says, if you want to be powerful, you must be ready to endure pain. If you stay lazy in your comfort zone today, tomorrow will be no different. But once you start, no one can stop you. Show the world that you don't need a gym or money to build strength. You can transform your body at home with zero equipment with calisthenics. Best time to train? Morning. You'll progress faster, stay active all day, and sharpen your mind. So if you're ready for this 30-day challenge, comment "Started" and share this with a friend who wants to build a body but can't afford the gym. In the next part, we'll cover advanced skills and level up your training, so hit subscribe. Stay fit, stay hard.